Question, is there anyone who can credibly deny that Coach Stephen Fano Francis is the best track and field coach in the world? We used to say he was the best sprint coach, but having coached a high jump Olympic silver medalist and now a long jump world champion, in addition to several sprint hurdles, and 4 hurdles world and Olympic champions, it is safe to say that Stephen Francis is the greatest all-round athletics coach in the business. This thing about Fano being arrogant and egotistical and obnoxious, and him put the interest of his club MVP ahead of the interest of Jamaica and even ahead of the interest of his athletes, all of that might be true, but that don't change the fact that this man continues to convert average and obscure track and field talent into world and Olympic champions, and he's doing it across different disciplines within the sport. So instead of so many people focusing on Fano's brash personality and his level of likability, Jamaica should try to study and emulate his methods, his work ethic, his dedication to his craft, and his level of success. Right now, Stephen Fano Francis is not just the best track and field coach in Jamaica. He's the best track and field coach in the entire world. You don't watch Fano and him bag of talking and the way he walk. And don't watch Fano is a world coach. Don't watch the walk and the swag and the talk.